Supply chains today are drowning in data but starving for insight. You have ERPs, IoT sensors on the shop floor, supplier portals, and logistics APIs, each sitting in its own silo. Your teams are spending hours pulling spreadsheets instead of making decisions. Delays aren't caught until a customer calls. That's the problem Fabric solves. Demand signals and inventory data live in separate systems with no unified view. Supplier delays and shipment exceptions are discovered reactively, not proactively. Analysts spend 60 to 70% of their time on data preparation, not analysis. There's no real-time visibility, and escalation chains are entirely manual. Fabric is the tech platform that acts as the nervous system for your supply chain. It's the one place where all your supply chain data lands, whether it's ERP, IoT, logistics, or supplier feeds. We unify the entire data ecosystem, and it acts in seconds, not hours, without any human intervention. Your analysts can stop building pipelines and start answering questions. For this demo, we've brought together the kinds of data your teams actually work with every day. This isn't simple mirrored data. It reflects what a real supply chain environment produces. Purchase orders, inventory levels, supplier lead times and scorecards, production orders, work in progress, shipment tracking, and demand forecasts. We integrate all of these together. What you're seeing here is a custom endpoint that pulls data from various sources and integrates it into an event stream. From that event stream, data flows into Event House databases, covering events like order creation, inventory updates, and other detailed transactional records, all consolidated into a single database. Each Event House can have multiple databases, and each database can have multiple tables, such as demand spikes, inventory, and shipments. With this unified data, we can generate queries that surface real-time insights and build live dashboards in seconds. His particular dashboard focuses on inventory and stock. The Stockout Risk Monitor displays live inventory levels by SKU and warehouse, color-coded for reorder risk. It also shows open purchase orders with aging, a shipment tracker covering in-transit, delayed and delivered items, and expected versus actual ETAs. Supplier on-time delivery rates update automatically as events arrive. We also have a logistics and shipment dashboard that provides both a quick and deep analysis of your shipment performance. At a glance, you can see how many goods have been delivered on time versus delayed, giving you an eye-immediate pulse on fulfillment health. For delayed shipments, the dashboard goes further, surfacing the root causes behind each delay. Whether it's carrier issues, customs holds, weather disruptions, or supplier-side failures. This allows your logistics teams to move beyond simply knowing that a delay has occurred, to understanding exactly why it happened and where to intervene. The dashboard features real-time auto-refresh, giving you continuous updates within seconds. You also have cross-filtering by supplier name, risk category, shipping mode, carrier, and more, allowing you to drill down and generate the insights you need. Row-level security ensures each regional manager only sees data relevant to their warehouse. The key message: your team stops asking, "What's the status?" and starts acting, just by looking at this operational dashboard. The Activator is a real-time alerting engine. Rather than waiting and watching a dashboard, the Activator proactively sends notifications to the right teams so they can take immediate action. Alerts can be triggered via Microsoft Teams messages, Outlook emails, Power Automate flows, or custom webhooks. Whether it's a shipment SLA breach risk or any other supply chain exception, the right notification reaches the right team automatically. Fabric RTI also includes a powerful feature called Fabric Data Agents. This allows you to create a data agent that accepts free text prompts, queries your underlying Event House database, and returns intelligent responses. For example, here we're asking, Which warehouse has the lowest inventory fill rate across all locations? The agent analyzes the data source, generates the query, and runs it across all locations in near real time. You can see that Rotterdam, Singapore Hub, São Paulo, each geography shows exactly what the lowest inventory fill rate is, the available units, and the mitigations you can take to prevent a supply disruption. Building on Fabric data agents, we can also integrate this rich data set into Microsoft Foundry. Fabric provides Fabric IQ for intelligence, and within Foundry you have Foundry IQ, where you can create a knowledge source and build a complete knowledge base. In this example, we've integrated our Fabric data agent as one of the tools available within Microsoft Foundry, alongside a knowledge base built on OneLake, combining both historical data and live IoT streaming data. Let's see how we can chat with Foundry to generate rich insights. First, I'll ask, what are the inventory levels for product SKU-1001? Foundry connects to the Fabric data agent, generates the query, and returns the available units for that SKU across all locations in your geography. Now I'll ask, what purchase orders for SKU-1001 are due for delivery this week? The moment I submit this, Foundry integrates all the required datasets to identify where the risk lies for this SKU and what the inventory gap looks like. You can see a set of orders flagged with high delay risk at the Singapore hub. I can drill further to understand the full picture. Finally, I'll ask, what is the demand for SKU 1001 over the past week? Across the network, we see that total units ordered are close to 4.6 million, with 18,473 total orders placed in a single week. This gives a complete demand picture for this product. This is how we can bring together Microsoft Foundry's chat experience, AI models, and machine learning tools on top of data integrated within Fabric, enabling operational managers and leadership to use simple free text prompts to identify delays, assess supply chain disruptions, flag inventory gaps, and trigger fulfillment actions. This is the end-to-end power of Fabric RTI. Event streams, event house databases, the activator, Fabric data agents, and Microsoft Foundry working together to deliver a truly intelligent supply chain. Thank you.